Have you ever wondered about the fascinating world of carnivorous plants? Welcome to a realm where greenery defies convention, and plants are not just passive life forms. Carnivorous plants, a mesmerizing anomaly in the plant kingdom, have a unique skill set. They're equipped to trap and consume animals, mostly insects and other arthropods, deriving essential nutrients from them. This extraordinary adaptation allows them to thrive in environments where nutrients are scarce. These captivating plants have developed extraordinary adaptations to survive in nutrient-poor environments. There are many different types of carnivorous plants, each with their unique trapping mechanisms. Let's dive in. First up, we have the Venus flytraps, a fascinating species that uses a snapping mechanism. They're like nature's little mouse traps, lying in wait until an unsuspecting insect triggers their trap. Then we have the pitcher plants, which employ a pitfall trap. They lure their prey into a deep cavity filled with digestive liquid. It's a slippery slope for any insect that ventures too close. Lastly, we have the sundews. These plants use sticky flypaper-like leaves to ensnare their victims. The insects get stuck on the sticky dew and are slowly digested. Each one is a marvel of evolution, displaying nature's ingenuity and resourcefulness. Carnivorous plants truly are a wonder of the natural world. Remember their uniqueness, diversity, and clever trapping mechanisms. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting content. Dive deeper into the world of these fascinating plants with us.